Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh has been booked by Bengaluru police following a complaint that he hurt Hindu religious sentiments by mimicking a sacred Daiva scene from Rishab Shetty's film Kantara Chapter 1 during the closing ceremony of the International Film Festival of India IFFI in Goa on November 28, 2025. An FIR was registered at High Grounds Police Station under Sections 196, 299 and 302 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The complaint, filed by Bengaluru-based advocate Prashanth Methal, alleges that Singh mocked the revered Chavundi, Panjurli and Guliga Daiva traditions of coastal Karnataka. Reports state he imitated divine expressions in a crude manner and referred to Chavundi Daiva as a female ghost, despite the sacred nature of these rituals. Ranveer Singh later issued a public apology on social media, clarifying that his intention was to praise Rishab Shetty's powerful performance in the film and express admiration for his craft. He added that he deeply respects all cultures and traditions and sincerely regretted if anyone was hurt. Rishab Shetty has previously emphasized that the Daiva element is a sacred ritual not meant for stage mimicry or entertainment. The case has been forwarded to court with a hearing scheduled for April 8, 2026. Police are investigating further.